Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a evaporative cooling system by using multiple cooling pad. And in this system, we used here three types of cooling pads that will be used here for reduce the temperature of our room. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So now you said that our pad is it's dry, and that's why we need to make it more. So first of all, we will provide water to this pad because it's basically dry now. So this one is not necessary to supply the water, and it also need to make sure proper water for every steps of or every part. So now we will provide water in our reserve tank or water tank of this evaporative cooling system. So in this system, we have two manual switch, one for our exhaust fan and this one for our water pump, and this LCD will show normal temperature and cooling temperature also. We included here a DHT11 that will read the normal temperature or outer side temperature of our room, that will show in our LCD display in lower line. This one is N temperature 22.50, and upper serial C temperature, that means cooling temperature, is 22.06. So it's read from our inner temperature sensor that included here in our inner side. So you said that this one is our temperature sensor. Its model is DS18B20, and here we included our SMPS microcontroller etc. And this is our exhaust fan, and we included here water tank, and we also added here a water pump in this water that will recycling the water in the upper side of our system, and this every hole will release that water from this part to this lower side, and in this way our pad will be set here. So let's check it that. So we'll check our exhaust fan first. So you see that our fan is running now, and if we turn off, then it's turning off. And on the same cases, we can control this switch for controlling our water supply in this part. So we turn on our switch first. Water supply is continue, and water is placing here. It's here that. Again I stop the water supply, that's why it's off now. So by using this procedure, we will operate our system and replace the cooling pads now, and let's check our next steps. So now we will power on our exhaust fan first. You see here that our fan is running now, and it's rotating the air from this side to outer side. And now I will set this honeycomb pad here. So we need to just check that our system is set properly with our system or not. So you see here that our system is perfectly working here. Air is flowing from this side to other side by using this room. Now we will turn on our water pump. So our water supply is on, and water is supply continuing here. And you said that our water is coming from upper side to lower side by using this pad. And on that case, our system is reducing the temperature of our room. So our water supply is continuously provide water supply here, and you said that it's looking so gorgeous. And now we will check our temperature value. So you said that our temperature is 21.62 and it's 23.20, and you will just focus on cooling temperature. Cooling temperature is reducing here. It's 21.056, 21.56, it's 21.49. So our system is running and temperature is reducing here. It's 21.43. Its cooling temperature, it's 21.37. That means our system is reducing the temperature properly. And on that case, we used here water supply and our honeycomb pad in this system. So water supply is perfectly playing here. So we will replace this one. That's why we will turn off water supply from this switch. So it's our switch, and we will turn off this one. So you see here that our water supply is off now. Okay, now we will replace this one because we try our honeycomb pad. Now we will set here a jute pad, and this jute pad will be play a important role here. So we can set this one. So you see here that our system is set here properly. So we need to adjust this one. So now we can again start water supply. So you see here that our water supply is start here, and this system is supplying water from upper side to lower side. So now we will replace this pad also. That's why we need to power off our water supply. Our water supply is reducing and it's now off. So I replace this one by using our next pad. So now I will set this one. You hear the sound of airflow here, and it's very dangerous sound. So our system is setting here properly, and now we will run our water pump. So our water pump is running now, and water is supplying from upper side to lower side by using this coconut pad. So let's check the temperature. So you see here that our temperature is showing 20 degree 0.68. That means temperature is reducing almost 3 degree or 2 degree. So it's 20.62. System make a smart noise. So you said that our temperature again. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again. Allah Hafiz.